Hey, good afternoon, everybody. Welcome to another day of the Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today's Thursday, December 12th. Sorry, it's late in the day here, and so we're getting basically after the market news here. We got a couple economic news releases, and we're going to start off with the weekly jobless claims. We had 300,000. Actually, this is even below 200,000 because I remember it was kind of surprising that low. It was the first time we've seen under 300,000. They revised it a little bit higher to 300,000 from last week. And the forecast for this week is at 335, and it jumped all the way up to 368,000. So not a good start with the economic news releases, as we've been seeing some pretty good numbers actually in the 320 range and below 330 range. So we were getting something. This is about the highest we've seen in about 2 months here. And then next item here, another biggie here is the retail sales for the month of November. We had a 0.6% increase for the month of October, and forecast was supposed to be zero point 0.7 for the month of November, and it jumped all the way up to 0.7. So came in at forecast. Good news right there. Now to strip out the volatility of autos because it's big ticket items there. We're gonna go with the retail sales without autos. We had a 0.5% in October, and the forecast for November, when we take that out, is only supposed to go up 0.2%. And it jumped up to 0.4%. So very good numbers there for retail sales. So retail was doing very strong actually in November. And last but not least, we have business inventories for the month of October. So we had a 0.6% growth in month of September. October forecast was 0.3%, and it was actually even better in October, 0.7%. So great numbers right there. A little mixed with the jobless claims, the only thing that's kind of offsetting it, but otherwise decent news for the retail sales. So we're going to jump over to the bond market. I'm sorry, the headline news. And the stock market was down. Dow is down over 100 today. Why is that? Well, any good news right now is considered bad news because the Fed is meeting next week, and there's been a lot of speculation or talk that this might be the meeting where the Fed may actually start its tapering process because we've been getting a lot of good economic data, and they basically are saying, feeling at this point, this might be the time where they're going to actually start the tapering. So let's go ahead and take a look, see how this is affecting the bond market. And basically, the bond market closed downwards today, where it closed at 99.5625, where we left off last week. Where we had the previous one was even higher than that. So basically, we had worsening in pricing today. So unfortunately, we'll have to wait until tomorrow. Tomorrow we do got the PPI, which is the wholesale inflation numbers, but today was more the biggie for the week with the retail sales and the weekly jobless claims. So stay tuned. We still on the tread. Rates are still trending upwards a little bit as the bond market's going down. That means rates are kind of climbing upwards. So be very careful. Again, it could be more. It will be a lot more volatile out next week once we have the Fed meetings going on, and we could go one way or the other. All right, folks, thanks again for watching. Hope you guys have a great day, and we'll look forward to seeing you guys tomorrow.